Well, a bright white smile can be the key to a good first impression, but you also want to make sure your teeth are healthy, which is where an endodontist can help. Endodontists and general dentists both provide dental care, but they do different things. So joining us now is Stefan Zweig, and he's here to tell us the difference between endodontists and a general dentist and when you need an endodontist. So what do you have for us?
So an endodontist is a dentist who's received 2 to 3 years of additional training to gain expertise in the diagnosis of dental pain, in performing root canal, and helping patients save their teeth. So many of the patients that endodontists see have tooth pain, and we are the specialists in treating that. So the question that comes up a lot is, why should I see an endodontist as compared to a dentist? And so it really, it can be done either way. Many general dentists work side by side or in conjunction with endodontists. So if you have pain, you may go to your general dentist who will evaluate you and will refer you to an endodontist if you need a root canal. And if you do need a root canal, we do recommend that an endodontist do it, because an endodontist is a specialist in doing root canal and has a lot more training and expertise in doing root canal. Or the alternative is that you can actually refer yourself to an endodontist, and we have a website that can help you do that. A lot of people now are referring themselves to endodontists for when they have tooth pain. This is particularly important now, or had been in the last couple of years, because endodontists were on the front lines during the pandemic and treating patients that really, for whatever reason, could not get to their dentist. A lot of dental offices were closed, and it was difficult for patients to get to the dentist. A lot of people self-referred themselves to endodontists for tooth pain, and I think they continue to do that, and we do encourage people to do that.
Okay, now I have done this once in my life and I didn't quite know what to do. What should you do if you crack a tooth or you have mouth pain?
We're seeing a lot of cracked teeth now. We have over the last 20 to 30 years. We see people that have cracked teeth because they are under a lot of stress. They grind their teeth and they chew on things that they shouldn't be chewing on, like pencils and pens and things like that. So we're seeing a cracked tooth, a lot of cracked teeth. Cracked teeth very often need root canals because of the way that they're cracked and because it affects the nerve inside the tooth. So if you have a cracked tooth, you can see your general dentist again, but you may want to actually see an endodontist first, because we deal with this on a day-to-day basis. And the good news is that a lot of people who have cracked teeth can actually save their tooth as opposed to losing their tooth. A lot of people believe that when you crack your tooth, that's the end of it. You're going to lose your tooth, but it really isn't like that. We can help you save your tooth.
So what preventative care can people take to avoid a dental emergency?
Well, the way you're going to avoid a dental emergency is by really taking care of yourself, and it starts at home. So basically, you want to brush your teeth. You brush your teeth 3 times a day and floss your teeth. And really, we say that you should really listen to your own body and your own mouth. So we say at the American Association of Endodontists that, no pain is normal. So if you even have a little bit of pain, you should see your dentist, because it may be the sign of something to come, a more significant problem to come. So what you want to do is see your dentist for checkups at least twice a year. When you see your dentist, you're going to get professional cleaning, which is very important, and they're going to be able to examine you to find smaller problems that might be treated early. But if you get to a point where you have large cavities or fractured teeth or even some forms of trauma to your teeth, you're going to want to see an endodontist to treat those kind of problems. And your general dentist can refer you there again, or you can refer yourself.
All great information. Where can we go for more information about root canal treatment and to find an endodontist nearby?
So the American Association of Endodontists has a website. It's called findmyendodontist.com. And on that website, you're going to get a lot of information about root canals, what endodontists do. And there's also going to be a search function where you're going to be able to put in your location and find an endodontist near you. And again, that's findmyendodontist.com, and that's going to help you refer yourself to an endodontist.
Okay, perfect. Doctor, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks so much.
And don't change that channel. When we come back, Olay is giving